Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this line sort of video transition on CapCut PC. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the first photo or video. Okay, maybe I should just use a video for this one. And you are going to select mask, and you're going to select film strip, and you're going to rotate it like this. Then you're going to select reverse, and you're just going to make it like as small as possible. Then you are going to add like a keyframe, maybe like in the middle. Actually, I'm going to add it like kind of like here. So I'm just going to actually split it first, and then on the first one just delete the mask. Then on the second one, add in a keyframe, and then like maybe here, pull this out. If it's too slow, just put it like closer to each other, like that. Then you're going to add in the line glow. I just searched this up on Google, and then I'm going to like place it where the line is, and I'm also going to scale it up. Here's the line. And then I am going to copy and paste it. And then on the first one, I'm going to add a keyframe, and I'm going to follow the one on the left. Just like move it with the video. And then on the one on top, I'm going to move it with the right side. Of the video. Like so. If this happens, just put it like kind of like on top a little bit. Like there. Then I'm just going to put this on top here so it goes on top of the next video. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!